Hamilton Reserve Bank features, strengths, weaknesses. Hamilton Reserve Bank, headquartered in St. Kitts and Nevis, is an offshore bank attracting international clients seeking asset protection and diversification. Its core features revolve around providing multi-currency accounts, international wire transfers, and private banking services, all within a low-tax jurisdiction. This bank primarily targets high-net-worth individuals, international corporations, and those seeking to minimize their tax liabilities. A key strength lies in its confidentiality policies, shielded by the financial regulations of St. Kitts and Nevis, offering a degree of privacy not always available in onshore banking. Furthermore, it facilitates easier access to global markets and asset diversification due to its international focus. However, potential clients must acknowledge the weaknesses. The regulatory oversight in St. Kitts and Nevis, while adhering to international standards, might be perceived as less stringent compared to jurisdictions like the US or EU, raising concerns about potential risks. Due diligence is crucial before engaging. Another potential disadvantage is the reputational aspect. Offshore banks can sometimes attract scrutiny due to their association with tax avoidance, even when operating entirely legally. The account opening process can also be more complex and time-consuming compared to traditional banks, requiring extensive documentation and compliance checks. Furthermore, because the bank is not FDIC insured, deposit protection is limited to the regulations of St. Kitts and Nevis, which might not be as robust as those in other countries. Hamilton Reserve Bank offers a legitimate avenue for international banking and asset protection, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It is imperative to consult with financial and legal advisors to thoroughly assess its suitability relative to your specific needs and risk tolerance. Factor in the regulatory environment, reputational considerations, and deposit protection limitations before making a decision. For individuals and entities seeking robust privacy, international transaction ease, and diversification beyond their domestic banking system, Hamilton Reserve Bank warrants consideration. However, only proceed with a full understanding of the inherent risks and a thorough investigation into the bank's operational practices and financial stability. Make sure the bank is a good fit for your personal or company needs.